Howdy y'all, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Today we are going to look at this miracle from the Quran. It's the first time I ever see it. I actually took a while to make the video because I did calculations based on following Quranic verses.
Say, do you disbelieve in him who created the earth in 2 days, and set up equals for him? This is the Lord of the worlds.
Nothing too deep. God Almighty Allah created the earth as we know it in 2 days.
And he placed therein a tower above it, and blessed it in it, and estimated its sustenance therein in 4 days, equal to those who ask.
Then he placed a tower above it, that is the 7 heavens, and then his throne and his chair. And so these two verses, which are right next to each other, chapter 41, verse 9 and 10, people tend to get confused. Not only confused, but they use it as a contradiction of the Quran. So verse 9 is very clear. Allah God Almighty created the earth in 2 days. Verse 10, He created the sustenance, keyword, sustenance, what it's needed for the earth to exist in 4 days, because it is what it's needed for the earth to exist that was created before the earth. So you have 4 days. And we're going to take this into astronomical numbers here in a second. 4 days, and then the last 2 days, the earth was created and it has evolved. He has created it ongoingly for the last 2 days. Now, when we take this into, when I say astronomical, I'm talking about the science of the universe, astronomy. Science says that the solar system, the universe is 13.8 billion years old. It started with the Big Bang, something that is mentioned in Quran chapter 21, verse 30. So 13.8 billion years ago. So if you're talking about 6 days, you have to divide 13.8 by 6. That means every day is 2.3. So for the first 4 days, where he's making the sustenance, what is needed for the earth and the solar system to exist, takes 4 days or 9.2 billion years. Then the earth, solar system, sun, the planets around us appear, and they've appeared since for the last 2 days, or for the last 4.6 billion years. The earth, according to science, is 4.6 billion years old. According to the Quran, 2 days of 2.3 times 2 is 4.6. The entire thing has existed for 13.8 billion or 6 days, but perhaps this video will show you better, inshallah.
All the praise is for Allah, who is the author of all existence and the most generous to his creation, while he is also the all-compelling. He is the only one worthy of our worship, having no partners, no associates, no sons, no daughters, no one whom he must consult, and no one or anything which has any comparison with him. All the praise is for Allah, who is the King of all who claim sovereignty, the only one who has the right to legislate for his creatures.